Hey friends, it's Carl here, Bohemian Nomad, just coming to you. I got a short one today. Gonna do another route today. It looks like 124 stops, 191 packages, doing the town of El Paso, Illinois. So there are gonna be a lot of goats, ducks, and chickens today, and a lot of dogs. And I'm ready for my dogs. I got my dog food somewhere, my dog treats. I know they're in here because I packed them yesterday. I was playing with my other dog, and it's going to be good. It's going to be another 91 today, but it's going to be cloudy, so it won't be that bad. Um, Old Tim, up in my messages, I got friends on my LinkedIn from when I was an attorney and stuff, and they're starting to go after those EIDL PQLT loans or whatever. I don't know. I'm an old guy now. I can't keep all this shit straight. But they're starting to go after them. The attorney generals and the states are going. I know in here in Illinois, they're all geared up for it, but Illinois is kind of a corrupt state. So I don't know. It's pretty funny because the people that are stealing are going after the people that are stealing. Kind of funny. But anyway, it's all good. But I've got some messages from people I know down in Florida that says that they're out looking. I think he's probably on a list and they're out looking. That's why he's carrying a gun, showing a gun. That's why he does preaching it for Christ. And all his window shades are down. You never see the outside of his thing. He doesn't show you where he lives or anything because he knows they're coming for him. And he's scared about it. It's funny. Chickens are coming home to roost for him. So they're definitely looking. It's kind of funny because, when I went to church, the windows were all open, letting the light shine, letting God look in. That's the Dallas Cowboys foot. Why was the roof open? So God could watch his team play. But not Tim. He's all closed in. And I don't know why he doesn't join a church since he's down there. Go to Bible study. Be an adult Bible study. Maybe you'll learn better. He talked about, Jesus crucifixion and stuff like that. And he's got it all muddled up. It's not all correct. But anyway, I don't want to get into criticism about preaching. Because I'm Catholic, but I always wonder, before Jesus, before Judaism, did people just choose to be good or bad, or did everybody choose to be good? Why do you got to be promised something to be good? You should be good because you want to be good. I don't know. That's how I feel. I don't know. So anyway, the other thing I find funny is I live in Illinois, and this year I've been to the beach more than Tim has, on a Florida beach, which is hilarious because he's in Florida, but he talks about going to the beach, talks about being on the beach, but he doesn't go to the beach. And Tim seems to think Tim seems to think that Google knows who's good and evil and can count them up. Like, how does Google know if I'm good or I'm evil? That's just crazy. I mean, that's just the silliest thing I ever heard. And stop saying eschew. Eschew. It's like you're sneezing. Eschew. Just say what the word means. When you use all little words and one big word, it just doesn't come across. If you're a professor and you're a big pointy head intellectual, then you just string a whole bunch of big words together, and a shoe would be one of them. But when you're not, just leave a shoe out of it. A shoe, shoe. I don't know. That just really irritates me. I don't know why. I guess there's things about Tim that irritate me. That just gets me. But anyway, they're coming for him. They're coming in on these things. They're getting more people to collect taxes. The government's broke, and we're going into recession. So that's when the government starts turning over the couch cushions, looking for loose change because they need money just like everybody else. Oh, and went to Panera's today, get some hazelnut coffee. It is pretty good. I do like their hazelnut coffee. Um, I usually make my own coffee, and I do have my own coffee made here. But I always got to get something for breakfast in the morning, or I phase out at like 3 o'clock. Um, Phase down. Um, Anyway, plus I gotta make sure I got a little bit to eat all day long because I'm a type 2 diabetic. But I got everything under control. It's all good, and things are going good. Driving big trucks on Monday, it's gonna be a blast. Gonna get this route done, knock it out, and have fun. Go home and have me a Killian's or a Coors Light and think about Grifter. Um, but anyway, told you it'd be a short one, so we're all done here. Like Joy says, call somebody you love and tell them you love them. And Tracy says, don't forget your magic. And I always say you're looking really good here for a Sunday. It's great to see you. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.